Great job! You found it. I knew you could do it. To err is human, but to fix it is boss. Now that we know there's been a transposition error between the trial balance and the general ledger, we need to fix it. Fixing errors is a tricky thing and something we haven't covered in much detail. This is because fixing an error depends on the type of error made and where it was made on the books. That makes covering it a bit like trying to give advice. It's situational. In this situation, the transposition of numbers only happen when copying the credit card balance from the general ledger to the trial balance sheet. So there aren't any journal entries or suspension accounts we need to worry about. We simply correct the number in the trial balance, make a note on the account regarding the date and transposition error corrected, and voila, fixed. Don't you wish everything in life was this easy to fix?